everyone. Today we are going to solve DB problem number 175, combine two tables, and this is a very easy problem. So let's start from the description first. So we have given a table called person, and in that table we have three columns: the person ID, the first name, and the last name of that person. In that table, my person ID is a primary key, and the table contains the information about the ID of the person and the first name and the last name. Now let's move to the second table named address. In that table, we have four columns: the address ID, the person ID, the city, and the state. It states that it contains the information about the city, state of the ID of one person, that is equal to person ID. So let's move to the question. It states that we have to write a solution to report the first name, last name, city, and state of each person in the person table. Okay. So we will take first name and last name from the person table and city and state from the address table. Now, what if we say that if the address of a person ID is not present in the address table? Suppose a person ID is not present in the address table, then it means his or her city and state will be null. So we can return the result in any order. Okay, so let's move to the example. So we have one person table in which we have given the person ID, the last name, and the first name, and the address table in which I have address ID, person ID, city, and state. Okay, so in both the tables we have one common column, person ID. So here we will perform joining on these columns, and I will let you know what type of join we are going to use in this. So that's all from the description part. Let's move to the query part. So I'm going to write the select, and whatever what I am going to select, I'm not going to I'm not going to write now. From which table I want to take? From person table. So I write from person, and I'll make an alias p for the person table. And we know that we need the data from the first table, all the data from the first table, and the matched data from the second table. So we will use left join in that case. It's for which table? With address table, and the alias of the address table is A. Now on which basis we are going to join? On the person ID. So how will I write? On person ID equal to A dot person ID. Yes. Now let's move to the select part. What I need to select? I need to select the first name, last name. So first name and last name is present in person table. I'll write p dot first name, p dot last name, and city and state present in address table. So I'll take a dot city, a dot state. So guys, let's run the it's accepted. Now let's submit the code. It is successfully accepted. So guys, just let me know if you have any further questions on the join. I will surely reply over the comments. Thanks everyone for watching this video.